What letter we got now?
L.
Very good. L for what?
L for kangaroo.
No, honey.
Yeah.
L for
Lion.
lion. Yeah, lion works too. Very good. L for lion.
Come on, why are you not letting my hands to go in? Come on.
Very good, baby.
I'm just gonna put my hands on this. And then I'm gonna cut the rest.
Mm-hmm.
Just cut the glue. Cut the glue. It's garbage.
Okay.
Cut the scissors too. Don't forget the scissors.
Mm-hmm.
I missed it.
You did?
Just stay.
Okay, just put it straight so you can see it, okay?
Yeah, so
there
I
you go.
so
And now
then
finish
just-
cutting.
Yeah, finish. I hope Dance and Luca are okay.
Of course they're okay, honey.
That's why I don't want them to. So, first we don't need scissors anymore. We're gonna tape.
Very good.
Tape.
Mm-hmm.
So I got one tape I will show you guys. So, first I'm gonna just get the L and put it there and then tape it.
Mm-hmm.
And then get another L and put it so close to it.
Mm-hmm.
And get another L and another L and another L and another L. Hey, why is that tape stuck?
Let me help you. There you go.
I could get it all by myself.
I know.
I wouldn't stick it there. I got tape first.
Letter first. Tape after.
So
That's not L. Yep.
you almost say but it's yes.
Mm-hmm. Oh. One more left. Yes. Very
So we
good.
I just want to do all.